What's up? It's Coach Jay here. I'm going to show you how to do some externally rotated abduction. Okay, so I know that sounds like a mouthful, but what's happening here is you're just going to lay down on your shoulder, just the way you see me here. You're going to stack your feet on top of one another. That means the front of the foot and also the back of the foot, which is the heel, is in alignment with each other. Okay, so both of them are perfectly stacked. You can see that here in the camera. Okay, now the next thing is here, I'm going to externally rotate my foot. You see that? I'm externally rotating my foot, so you can see here that the knee is no longer facing the direction I am, is trying to face either at a diagonal or straight up. For some of you who have incredible range of motion here, I do not. This is my available range. Now, through this entire movement, I want you to keep your foot facing the ceiling. That's your mindset, because if your mindset is your foot facing the ceiling, you're going to do what I want you to do anyway. This is simply a level 2 to just the level 1 movement where we're moving up and down like this. Now we have the externally rotated foot and also hip, so we're going to really feel this intensely, okay? Now here we go. We're going to exhale up, boom, inhale down. Now I'm simply trying to keep both heels, okay, the bottom foot and the top foot heel in alignment with one another. It's hard to do, but you have to psychologically do that. That's staying in one plane of motion, okay? Again, I'm in a straight line. We exhale. First, we externally rotate, and then we bring up, boom, right to where we feel that squeeze on the side of our butt muscle. And then we come down. Notice how I never change the position of my foot. It is still trying to face the ceiling. I'm also keeping my legs nice and straight. Feeling that squeeze right on the side of the butt. It doesn't take much. Keeping the legs nice and straight. Boom. And breathing. That's exhale here. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale. Now, if you're intermediate, don't touch the heel to heel together, okay? If you're intermediate or advanced. If you are a beginner, go ahead, you can touch the heels together just to kind of rebalance yourself, regain your strength, because it's going to be intense. You're going to feel a lot of tension going through the side of your glute, and you can just pause for a second, not many, and then go right back into the next rep. So in action for the beginners, it looks like this. Exhale, inhale, tap the heels. Exhale, inhale, tap the heels. For the intermediate to advanced person, it's going to still be the same exact thing. Remember, I still have that externally rotated foot and leg, and we're going to exhale, not tap the heels, but just hover right above each other. Exhale, not tap the heel, and you're going to do this for the proper time under tension or repetitions that I have set for you. Peace.